Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can type by talking on Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer with Windows 11, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word. So make sure you have installed Microsoft Word application on your computer. I'm going to open up my Word. And then if we want to type by talking on this word, we need to press Windows icon with H button at the same time. You can press Windows plus H like this until the voice typing appear on your screen. I'm just going to click on Start Voice Typing. Okay, and you can click on this microphone icon to start the voice typing. Okay, as you can see guys, that the voice typing is being started. And then you can press Windows plus H to pause, or you can click on this option. Okay, and then you can click on the X button to close it. And this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to type by talking on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!